It is the ENS161 metal oxide gas sensor with Stemma QT I2C. I've got a Feather RP2040 here, plugged into Stemma QT to a little OLED screen, and then Stemma QT continuing on the I2C fun to my sensor, which I'll plug in here. I'm reporting air quality of 1, total volatile organic compounds 36, quite low, and the effective CO2 457 or so. Isopropyl alcohol test. So let me take Q-tip there in rubbing alcohol, and then as I hold this near the sensor, it has jumped up into the tens of thousands range. So you can tell, yep, that's real stinky. My product pick of the week this week, it is the ENS161 metal oxide gas sensor with Stemma QT.